Will Databutton's big update change building AI apps? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you the new version of Databutton and how I used it to build an AI-powered Hollywood movie catalog that recommends movies and generates fun facts or quotes based on the genre or mood. What makes this version of Databutton special is that it has reasoning built in similar to new AI models like GPT 4.503 from OpenAI or DeepSeek's R1. The AI thinks before it builds, planning step by step and adjusting as needed. So let's jump in and I'll walk you through the editor, show you how I built the app, and explain how it all works. Once you log into Databutton, this is the interface you'll see. Super clean and easy. Click on New App and describe what you want to build. I type, an app that recommends Hollywood movies based on user-selected genres or moods and generates fun quotes or trivia. You can also add design inspiration or upload images, but I let the AI handle everything, including UI design. Now here's where it gets cool. Databutton creates a full plan for your app. It breaks the build process into logical tasks. Task 1. Build the landing page. Task 2. Set up the movie recommendation engine. Task 3. Add genre mood selection interface. Task 4. Integrate a quote/fun fact generator. Task 5. Build profile and dashboard pages. Task 6. Set up search and filtering. Task 7. Add user authentication. Task 8. Deploy the full stack app. And yes, you can run all of these tasks at once. It takes some time, but it's amazing how much it can do simultaneously. Let's dive into one of the tasks. Now here's where the reasoning part really kicks in. The AI doesn't just start building blindly, it creates a detailed plan broken into multiple tasks. Here's what it automatically structured. It even displays dependencies between tasks so it knows it needs to build the API before the quote generator and the UI before the detail page. This is one of the most helpful parts of Databutton. It saves you hours of planning and figuring out dependencies. Now let's preview the app. Once it's done, hit preview, and this is what I saw. A clean, modern landing page with a bold title and a few call to action buttons. A selection panel where users can choose by genre, for example, action, romance, sci-fi, or mood, for example, feel good, intense, nostalgic. Dynamic results pulling in actual Hollywood movies via API. A quote trivia panel that pulls in fun facts using GPT-4 based on the selection. A dashboard for saved movies and activity history. Movie detail pages with posters, descriptions, and embedded trailers. A responsive login sign-up flow. All of this was generated just from my initial prompt and a few tweaks along the way. And it works. I select thriller or feel good, and boom, great Hollywood movies pop up. Alongside it, I get a fun quote or trivia based on the genre. Want to tweak anything? Just click into the code editor on the left or just type what you want to add and edit away. All changes show up live in preview. To power the quote generator, I asked it to integrate OpenAI's API. It prompted me to paste my API key, and that's it. Anytime a user picks a genre, it not only shows movies, but also fetches a fun quote or interesting trivia related to it. Adds that nice personal touch. Deployment is just as easy. Click Deploy, pick your username and subdomain path, and your app goes live on Databutton's hosting. If you want to connect it to Firebase for user data or authentication, that's just one click away. You can also store API keys and secrets directly from the Settings tab. Now, let's understand offers a few plans. $20 per month, which gives 75 credits. $700 per month, includes dedicated Slack support. $4,000 per month. Enterprise plan with weekly strategy calls. It only charges 2 credits per backend hour, and you can deploy on a custom domain with the launch plan at $50 per month. You get full ownership of the code and IP, and you can export the code anytime. I'm genuinely impressed with how well this app came together. No coding, just a prompt, and now I have a beautiful AI-powered Hollywood movie catalog that works in real time. If you've ever wanted to build an AI tool for movies, books, music, or anything else Databutton makes it possible without writing code. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video and want more tutorials like this one, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll be covering more tools like Databutton, Bolt, and Lovable in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and go build your dream app.